Hey guys, Rana here, and today we are going to see how to create a dropshipping website with free dropshipping service. If you are new to dropshipping, let's understand what is dropshipping. In dropshipping, you are simply selling someone else's product on your website. In dropshipping, you import the product into your dropshipping website from the dropshipping service provider companies and you sell it to your customer with your profit. Now look at this example. The product price on dropshipping service provider company is $60 and you sell it on your dropshipping store at $100. So your profit will be $40. Awesome, right? By watching this video, you will be able to learn many things like how to set up your website, how to import product into your dropshipping store, website essential settings, how to turn your product into SEO friendly product so that your product can go viral. Moreover, you will learn how to set a payment gateway in order to receive payments. Moreover, we will see how to fulfill the order when someone places an order on your dropshipping store. So I'm really excited in this video. So without wasting more time, let's get started and let's look at how you're going to create this premium dropshipping store with free premium dropshipping service. Let's get started. To create any website, whether it's dropshipping or blog or any kind of e-commerce website, there are two requirements: web hosting and domain name. Web hosting is a place where all your website file will be stored. It's like a server that runs 24/7. It will store all your website files, media, each and everything will be stored in this server. And the domain name is your website name like google.com, amazon.com, ranasvfx.com. These are the domain names. So we need hosting and domain name. To get this, open up any web browser that you have in your computer and type this URL and press enter. And you will land on Hostinger website. So guys, on this website, click on hosting and then click on web hosting. Now scroll down. Now you can see Hostinger has three types of plan: single web hosting, premium web hosting, and business web hosting. Now you have to choose one of them according to your requirement. If you are planning to create only one website, you can go with single web hosting. With this web hosting, you can create only one website, but you won't get any domain name with this plan. If you need a domain name, you have to go with premium web hosting. If you go with premium web hosting, you will get free SSL as well as a free domain name. To get a web hosting plan, you have to click on Add to Cart button. So here you have to choose the billing cycle. Higher you go, more the discount you will get. I'm going to select 12 month, which is more than enough to get started. Now scroll down. Here, just type in your email and select your payment method, PayPal. Scroll down, and this is the important step, guys. If you need more discount, just click over here. I have a coupon code, and here just type this code and then click on this plus button. Now you can see you get more discount, and finally click on submit secure payment. So guys, here you have to pay this amount to get this web hosting. Okay, click on this button, PayPal checkout, log in with your PayPal. Once you complete the payment, you will get your web hosting. Okay, since I already have business web hosting, I'm not gonna buy it again. Okay, once you get your web hosting, in the next page, Hostinger asks you to claim your domain name. Type your domain name or your business name and then proceed further. In the next step, it will ask you to activate a SSL certificate on your domain name. Activate the SSL certificate on your domain name, and that's pretty much it. Once you activate your SSL certificate, once you claim your domain, now let me show you how you can install WordPress. I'm going to close this out and I'm going to log in into my Hostinger account. Alright, let's go to hostinger.com or .in. I'm from India, that's why it's .in. Let's quickly log in. I'm going to log in with my social media account. So I've successfully logged in. Now I'm going to click on Manage under the hosting section. So this is kind of cPanel. Now scroll down. Now click on Auto Installer under the website section. And here you have to select WordPress, which is most popular one. If you do not know what is WordPress, WordPress is a script that allows you to create website without having a knowledge of complicated coding. Let's select that. Here, type your website title. Next, type your administrator email, which is already there. administrator username. This is going to be your WordPress dashboard username and password. Let's type your WordPress username and password really quick. Now expand the advanced option, and here you have to select your domain name, and you don't have to create your database and database password. Leave it as it is. Click next. Now click install. Now you have to wait for a few seconds. Your WordPress script will be installed. Okay, so you can see WordPress has been installed successfully. You can edit your website by clicking on this link. Now click over here, go to dashboard. Once again, click over here. Now click on the dashboard. Now visit your site by hovering your mouse over here and then click visit site. Right click, open link in a new tab. So this is going to be your WordPress website looks like by default. There's no content here, as you can see. Let's close this one. From now, we can start building our website. First of all, hover your mouse over plugins and then click on install plugins. And here, select all plugins by checking this box. Go to this drop down menu, select deactivate and click apply. Now select all of the plugins by checking this box, drop down option, and then select delete, click apply, click OK. It will delete all the plugins that we don't really need. Now hover your mouse over appearance and then click on themes. Now delete these themes as well. Select these themes, click delete, click OK. Now we have only one theme. Okay, let's go to the dashboard. Alright guys, now let's move to the next part of this video. In this part, we are going to look at the essential settings of WordPress. Let's hover your mouse over settings and then click on general. Here, you can change your site title and tagline, and below, make sure you check this option. Anyone can register on your website because this is an e-commerce website. People come to your website, they can register themselves on your website. So make sure you check this option. Anyone can register. Scroll down, change your time zone. I'm from India. I'm going to select my time zone. Once you make your changes, scroll down at the very bottom and click on Save Changes. Let's go to the Writings tab. Here you don't have to change anything. Let's look at the Readings tab. Leave the Reading tab as it is. You don't have to change anything over here as well. Let's look at the Discussion. You can change few things over here according to your requirement. Read the line. If you want that feature, you can enable that thing. Otherwise, you can leave it as it is. I'm going to check this option. User must be registered and logged in to comment. I like this one. Scroll down at the very bottom and then click on Save Changes. Now leave the media as it is. Let's go to the permalinks. Here make sure under the common settings you select post name. Then click on Save Changes. Finally, we have privacy. Here make sure you select your privacy policy page. By default, we have privacy policy page. If you don't have privacy policy page, you can create a new one by clicking on the create button. It will take you to the pages. Add new. From there, you can create your own privacy policy page. Once you do it, come back to this page and select your privacy policy by going to the drop down menu. Okay. Once you select your privacy policy, click on use this page. That's it. Let's go to the dashboard. Okay, we are done with the essential settings of WordPress. Let's move to the next part of this video. Alright guys, so in this part, we are going to install a theme to give our website a brand new look. To install a theme, let's hover your mouse over appearance and then click on themes. Click on add new and then click on upload theme. Now leave this page as it is. We'll come back here and we will upload a theme file over here. Now open a new tab and go to this URL. And you will land on this website, 𝗃𝗶𝗋𝗃.com. From this website, we're going to get an advanced jet plugin for Elementor or Gutenberg editor. Let's go ahead and click on pricing. And here you can see 𝗃𝗃 has several plans according to your requirement. First, we have free plan. And we have the all exclusive plan for one website and all exclusive unlimited for unlimited websites. And we have lifetime plan as well. This would be one-time payment, guys. This is worth the money to buy this 𝗃𝗃 subscription. Now choose the plan according to your requirement. I already have this plan, so I'm not gonna buy it again. In order to buy, click on buy now button. Fill this personal information details like your email, your full name and your phone number. Check this box and click next. In the next page, you have to complete the payment. Since I already have 𝗃𝗃 subscription, I'm not gonna buy it again. I'm gonna remove this. Let's go back. Let's come back to 𝗃𝗃.com and I'm gonna log in. Once you log in, scroll down and here you have to download the 𝗃𝗏 theme and 𝗃𝗏 child theme. To download the theme, click on download button. Your download will be start. Once you download this theme, let's come back to this page and drag and drop your theme file. Now drag and drop 𝗃𝗏 theme, click install now. And then go to appearance and click on themes. Now click on add new. Now click on upload theme. Now drag and drop your 𝗃𝗏𝗀𝗀𝗃 theme. And then click on install now. And now activate the theme. Once you activate 𝗃𝗏 and 𝗃𝗏𝗀𝗀 theme, now we are going to install a 𝗃𝗏𝗃 plugin. To do it, hover your mouse over plugins and then click on add new. Now click on upload plugin. Now drag and drop your 𝗃𝗏𝗃 plugin file. Now click on install now and then click on activate. Let me show you where to download this 𝗃𝗏𝗃 plugin. Go to 𝗃𝗏 account and here you can see at the very bottom under the installation section 𝗃𝗏𝗃, you can download this wizard by clicking on the download button. Once you download it, install the plugin and activate it, and then you will land on this page. Here click on let's go and here you have to type your license key. Let's go to 𝗃𝗏 account, scroll up, click on view detail. Under your purchase detail, this is your license key. Copy it, go to your WordPress dashboard and paste your license key over here and then click on get started. I'm gonna select full 𝗃𝗏 installation and then click on install. Here you have to select your theme. I'm gonna select 𝗃𝗏 and here choose second option, use child theme, and then click on continue. And now you will land on this page. Here we have two tabs, dynamic templates and design templates. Make sure you inside the dynamic templates, and here I'm gonna install this one, 𝗀𝗏𝗋, and here click on start installation. Now click on continue. Now wait for a few minutes. It will install all the required plugins, blogs, media, widgets, each and everything for you guys. So it may take some time. I'm gonna speed this video up and I'll come back once it's done.
A few moments later.
Okay, in the next page, select first option, append demo content to my existing content. It will add extra content on your existing content. Since this is a fresh installation of WordPress, I'm gonna select the first option and then click on continue. Now it's going to install all the required plugins. So I'm gonna speed this video up and I'll come back once it's done.
A few moments later.
Alright guys, so as you can see, importing sample data has been completed. Now click on continue. So once again, you have to wait for a few seconds. It will generate all the thumbnails. Again, I'm gonna speed this video up and I'll come back once it's done.
A few moments later.
Okay, now we are all set. You can view your site by clicking over here. Alright guys, so you can see we have successfully installed all the dummy or sample products, pages, widgets, each and everything from that templates. Now all we have to do, we just have to customize this website according to our requirement. First, let's close these tabs. Let's go to the dashboard. And here you have to update all the plugins data by clicking on start update button. Okay, once you update all the plugins data, you are good. Let's dismiss this notice. Alright guys, so before we customize our WordPress website, let's look at the WooCommerce plugins setting. Let's look at the WooCommerce settings. Let's have your mouse over WooCommerce and then click on settings. So here you can see we have different types of tab here. First, we have the general tab. In here we have the store address. Let's quickly fill your store address. Under the general option, you have the selling location and shipping location. If you want to start your dropshipping business on specific country, you can select from here. I'm going to type in United States. You can type as many countries as you want over here. And then we have the shipping location. Ship to all countries you sell to. Or you can go with the specific country only if you want. I'm going to leave it as it is. Below we have the enable taxes. You can enable tax rate and calculation if you want. For more detailed video, you can check out this video. In this video, you will learn each and everything about WooCommerce. So right now I'm going to leave it as it is. Below we have the enable coupons. You can enable coupons if you want. And finally, in this tab, we have the currency option. You can select your currency. I plan to start dropshipping business only in United States. So that's why I'm selecting the United States dollar. Currency position left. Rest of the things are good here. And finally, I'm going to click on save changes. Let's go to the products tab. Here we have the shop pages. Shop page should be the shop. Add to cart behavior. we have two options. Redirect to the cart page after a successful addition. If you want to enable this option, you can check this box. I don't really like this option. I allow my visitor to add more product into the cart page, then they can manually move to the cart page. So I'm going to leave it as it is. Placeholder images, you can increase or decrease your placeholder images number from here. Measurement. If you are selling heavy products, you can go with kg, kilograms. If you're selling like t-shirts or light products, you can go with grams, and different types of weight unit you can select from here. Dimension unit, you can go with centimeter, meters, millimeters, inches, yard, depending on the product you are selling. Next, we have the reviews. Enable reviews. Make sure you enable this option as well. Very important, guys. Once you do it, don't forget to click on Save Changes. Let's go to the Shipping tab. So guys, here, let's create a shipping zone, basic shipping zone. Let's click on Add Shipping Zone. Type your zone name. I'm going to type in free shipping. Select your zone region, United States, and then click on Add Shipping Method. Go to this drop-down menu and select free shipping, and then click on Add Shipping Method. Now hover your mouse over here and then click on Edit. And here we have the title and free shipping required what. Title should be the free shipping, and free shipping required what. We have few options here. We have a valid free shipping coupon, a minimum order amount, or a coupon code, a minimum order amount, and a coupon code. Both or one of them, or minimum order value. I'm going to leave it as it is, not available. Okay, finally click on Save Changes. So we have created basic shipping zone. If you want to create advanced shipping zone, you can watch my other video where I'll show you how you can create an advanced shipping method in WooCommerce. You can find that video link down below this video description. Next, we have the Payments tab. But before that, let's look at the other tabs. Account and Privacy. And here we have few options that you can check. Now read the line and check these options according to your website or your requirement. Guest checkout. If you want to allow customer to place an order without account, you can check this option. Very important. Account creation, we have allow customer to create an account during checkout. This is also important option. You can check it. Next, we have the privacy policy. Registration privacy policy. You can type your registration privacy policy over here. Your checkout privacy policy should be here. And below that, we have the retain inactive account. You can type something like 1 month or 2 month. Retain pending order, 1 day or 2 day. It's all up to you. Set these number according to your website or your requirement. Once you make your changes, don't forget to click on Save Changes. Let's go to email. And here, first 3 email should be yours. New order, cancel order, failed order. If you want to change this mail address, you can click on Manage button. And here you can type your mail and then click on Save Changes. That's simple. Let's go back. Let's go to the Integration tab, and here you don't have to change anything. Let's go to the Advanced tab. So guys, here we have the page setup. We have cart page, checkout page, my account page, terms and condition page. By default, cart page and checkout page and my account page is already there, but we don't have is terms and condition page. If you go here and type terms and condition, you don't see any terms and condition page unless you create a new one. Go to pages. Click on Add New, and from there create your own terms and condition page. Come back to this page and select your own terms and condition page for your drop shipping store. Once you do it, let's move to the next section. Next, we have the checkout endpoints. These are the labels. You can change it if you want. By default, these are the good one. You don't have to change anything over here. Next, we have the account endpoints. Again, we have the orders, view orders. These are the labels. Right now, you don't have to change anything. If you're just getting started, just leave it as it is. If you make any changes, don't forget to click on Save Changes. Finally, we have the 𝗃𝗶𝗹𝗀. We're seeing this tab just because of CrocoBlog plugin that we have on our website. For this tab, I will create a separate video tutorial for you guys. But right now, it's completely fine. You don't have to change anything over here. And now let's move with the next part of this video. In this part, I'm going to show you how you can set up a PayPal as a payment gateway on your WooCommerce plugin. In your WooCommerce plugin. Let's go to the Payments tab. So guys, here we don't see any kind of PayPal payment gateway in this tab. In order to get a PayPal payment gateway, let's install a plugin. To do it, let's hover your mouse over plugins and then click on Add New, and come over here and search for PayPal. And here you have to install this WooCommerce PayPal payments. Click on Install Now and then click on Activate. Once you activate the plugin, let's go back to WooCommerce. Hover your mouse over WooCommerce and then click on Settings. Let's go to Payments tab. So now you can see we have the PayPal. Let's enable this one. Now scroll down. Now click on toggle to manual credential input. And here you can see we have the sandbox, which is a test mode, and we have the live email, merchant ID, client ID, and secret key. If you want to test out your transactions, you have to enable the sandbox test mode. To do it, let's check this box. Now we have the sandbox email, merchant ID, client ID, and secret key. To get all these credentials, we have to go to PayPal. Let's open a new tab, go to PayPal. Let's click on login. I'm going to log in with my email and password and click on login. And in here, let's click on App Center and come over here and search for API and select the first tab, API credentials. Click on Get Started. On this page, you have to click on My Apps and Credentials. It will take you to this page. So here you can see we have two options. We have Sandbox and Live. Live to receive a real payments from real customer. Sandbox is to test out your transactions. First of all, you have to create an app. Click on Create App. Type your app name, app type, merchant, and then select your Sandbox business account, which is already selected. Then click on Create App. Okay, so this is your Sandbox account and this is your client ID and this is a secret key. First, copy a client ID, go back to Woocommerce, paste your client ID over here, and now we need a merchant ID and secret key and email. Type your Sandbox email. Let's go back to this page. Let's copy this email, come back to Woocommerce, paste the email, and now paste a secret key. Let's go to this page, copy secret key, go to Woocommerce, paste your secret key over here. Now we need a merchant ID. To get it, let's go to your PayPal, go back, go home. In the dashboard of your PayPal, hover your mouse over here on your profile and then click on Account Settings. Under the business profile, click on Business Information, and this is your PayPal merchant ID. Copy it, go back to WooCommerce, paste your merchant ID over here. Once you do it, don't forget to click on Save Changes. And now enable PayPal by checking this box. Scroll down at the very bottom and then click on Save Changes. Let's click over here. So now you can see we have enabled PayPal and we are good here. Let's test the payments. Let's visit your site. Let's test out the transaction. Now select any dummy product, copy the product URL. Now go to private window, paste the URL and press enter. Now try to buy this product as a visitor. Let's just pretend as a visitor. Let's click on Add to Cart. Let's click on View Cart. And here you can see we have the product title, we have the product price, we have the quantity, and we have the subtotal. And we have the shipping, which is free shipping. You can change your address over here. But right now, I'm going to leave it as it is. And below that, we have two buttons. We have Proceed to Checkout and we have PayPal Payment Gateway button over here as well. Let's go ahead, click on Proceed to Checkout, and we have a coupon code as well. So guys, here you have to fill this billing details. I'm going to quickly fill these details and I'll come back once I fill it. Alright, so as you can see, I've successfully filled the billing information. And as you can see, your visitors still have option to create an account during the checkout page. Okay, below your visitor can type a note for your website. I'm going to leave it as it is. Ship to different address, we have this option as well. If you have a different shipping location, you can check this box. Scroll up and right side you can see we have subtotal $80. We have the shipping method, which is a free shipping, and we have total $80 as well. And the payment method, we have the PayPal button, we have the debit card or credit card button. Let's quickly complete this transaction by clicking on debit or credit card button. And we have some problem over here. We have mistakenly filled the wrong merchant ID. Let's go back to your PayPal, and in here, let's go to account. Let's select the business account. Hover your mouse over here and click on View Edit Account. And this is account ID going to be your merchant ID. Let's copy it. Go to WooCommerce, go to PayPal, click on Manage. Now under the Sandbox merchant ID, paste your account ID that we just copied. Scroll down at the very bottom and then click on Save Changes. Once you do it, let's go back to the private window. Now refresh the page. Okay, now let's click on debit or credit card. Now you can see we have this card number and expiry date and CSC number. Let's type your card number. You don't have to type your real card number, guys. Let's go back to your PayPal account. Let's go to this tab. So guys, here click on credit card generator. Now scroll down. Here you can see we have the dummy credit card number. Let's copy it. Let's go to private window. paste your card number over here, and your expiry date should be here. Just copy the expiry date and paste it over here. And your CSC, once you fill in this information, click on Pay Now. Once your visitor place an order on your website, they will see this type of message. You can customize this message as well. Scroll down, you can see we have the order detail, we have the product, we have the product link, subtotal, shipping method, and payment method, and the total as well. And your visitor will see this message, thank you, your order has been received. This is going to be the order number, so on and so forth. Let's go to your dashboard, and here under the WooCommerce, go to orders. So guys, here you can see we just received an order, and these are the dummy orders or sample orders. You don't have to worry about them. Let's open this sample order. So guys, here you can see we have all the information about this order. Okay, so this is how your customer can place an order on your website. Let's go to the dashboard, and we are good here. You can delete your sample orders by going to orders, WooCommerce orders, and here you can check this box. You can select move to trash and click apply, and your all order will be deleted. Let's go to trash, click on empty trash. There you go. Now you have 0 order on your dropshipping store. Let's go to the dashboard. Okay, now let's move to the next part of this video. In this part, we're going to convert our simple e-commerce website into dropshipping store for free. In this part, you don't have to spend any money at all. Open a new tab and type this URL and press enter. And you will land on 𝗃𝗁𝗃𝗃.com. So guys, from 𝗃𝗁𝗃𝗃.com, you can import hundreds of products into your dropshipping store for free. Let's close this one. First of all, you have to register yourself on this website. To do it, click on register button. Now fill this simple registration form. I'm going to type my email. I'm going to quickly register myself, and you can type the invitation code over here. Once you do it, check this radio box and then click on next. Type the username to your first name and last name and your phone number. Select your country code. I'm from India. Type your phone number and then click on confirm. Now select your store type. I'm going to select WooCommerce and then click on submit. You can skip this survey if you want. Alright guys, once you successfully created your account or you register yourself, now you have to verify your email. Let's go to your mailbox. So here you can see you just got a mail from CJ Dropshipping. Now open it up. Scroll down and click on this link to verify your email. If you got this message, don't worry, just click on back button, and here you have to enter the verification code. Let's quickly send the verification code. Now go to your mailbox. Now I've got a new email. Copy the code. Go to this page and paste the code over here and click on verify. Now verification succeeded. Click on confirm. Now we have successfully verified our CJ account. Next, let's go to this drop down button and click on WooCommerce. Click on no thanks. So guys, here you have to add your store. Click on add store, and now make sure to select the default. Type your store URL over here without HTTPS and then click on authorize. Alright guys, so now we have successfully authorized our dropshipping store. So now let's move to the next part of this video. In this part, we are going to import a product from CJ Dropshipping to our dropshipping store. To do it, let's go to CJ Dropshipping, and here you have to find the product that you want to import. There are many different ways you can find the product. You can go to the categories from the left side, or you can go by recommended products for e-commerce platform. Or if you scroll down, you can see we have trending products, we have new products, and we have super deal as well. And we have other categories that you can import into your dropshipping store. Let's go to trending products. So let's import this product. So this is the product that we can import on our dropshipping store. So if you scroll down, you can see we have the description of the product and we have some images. Okay. And we have the video ad as well. With this video ad, you can promote this product with Facebook ad, Instagram ad, Pinterest ad, and any other advertising network. The good thing about this product, the processing time is 1 or 3 days. Okay. That's why I love CJ Dropshipping. In order to import this product into your dropshipping store, all you have to do, click on list button, and here select the category, and let's change the price. You can change the price in a bulk by typing the price of your store. Let's say $20. But before that, you have to select the variation. Click OK. Now you can see if you have multiple variation, you can change the price in a bulk from here. Let's change this variation price $24. Okay. Once you do it, you have option to edit this product before listing on your dropshipping store, but I'm not going to do it. Straight away click on list it now. Listing in progress. You can check your listing by going to on listing tab. Status says pending. Now you have to wait for a few seconds. It will import this product from CJ Dropshipping to your dropshipping store. Let's come back to this page. Let's go to your dashboard and let's hover your mouse over products. Click on all products. So you can see the product doesn't appear right away. We just have to wait for a few minutes. Let's go back to this page. Let's refresh the page. Maybe let's go to this page. You can see listed successfully. Let's close this one and now go to your dropshipping store and let's refresh the page. There you go. You can see we have this product here. Let's view the product. Alright guys, so you can see we have this product. Let's choose the color, single mode, and here you can see you are selling this product on your dropshipping store on $20 if you go with dual mode, and the price has been changed as well. If you scroll down, you can see we have the images and we have the gallery images as well. Let's click on edit product. Let's close these tabs first. Let's close this one, and this one as well. So guys, here you have to create a SEO friendly product page in order to make any sale. Okay, if you just import product as it is on your website, it's hard to make any sale guys. To make this product SEO friendly, we have to install a plugin. To do it, let's have your mouse over plugins and click on add new. Come over here, search for Yoast SEO and install this plugin. Click on install now and then click on activate. Once you install and activate Yoast SEO, let's go to your product, go to all products and then click on edit product. Right click, open link in a new tab. Now here you can see we have this Yoast SEO section which says readability good, SEO not available. Let's make this SEO good as well. To do it, first of all, make this title shorter. Okay, now let's scroll down. Here you can remove any image in the description. If you don't like select the image, click remove. The image will be removed. Okay. Below you can see we have another section, Yoast SEO. Here you have to type your focus key phrase. That means it is going to be your SEO keyword. Let's type your SEO keyword. Now scroll down and here we have the SEO title. Let's delete this one, the whole thing, and paste your title over here. Let's copy the title from here. Let's copy the whole thing. Scroll down. And below we have the URL of the product. Let's make this shorter as well, just like it. And below you have to type the meta description. Let's type the meta description. I'm going to copy the text from the description box. I'm going to copy the text from here. Now scroll down. Come back to this section. In the meta description, paste your meta description. Below, I'm going to copy the focus key phrase. I'm going to paste it over here. Press spacebar. Now expand this one, SEO analysts. And here you can see we have the 5 problems and we have the 1 improvement. Let's focus on improvement. Image key phrase. To fix it, copy your key phrase. Now select these images one by one and click on edit by clicking on this pencil icon. And the alt text, paste the key phrase and click on update. And do it on at least 70% of images on this product page. Let's scroll down and check it. We still have the improvement. There are 20 images. We have the focus key phrase only on the 5 images. Let's keep adding the alt text on these images. Let's check it once again. Okay, so you can see the improvement has been gone. Now we have 5 problems. We have outbound link, we have internal link, and we have the key phrase in introduction. Let's add the key phrase in introduction. Scroll up and here let's paste the key phrase in the introduction. And now scroll down. So key phrase in an introduction problem has been solved. Let's check other problems. Now we have only 4. Outbound links. Outbound links means we have to add third-party website URL on this product page. To do it, just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to add third-party website URL. I'm going to copy this URL. Let's close this tab. And here, let's add the third-party website URL, which stands for outbound link. Click apply. Now scroll down and let's check it. So you can see we have only 3 problems. Internal links. Let's add internal links. That means you have to add your own website URL. Let's copy the link of the same product page. Let's add a link. Click apply. Now scroll down. So now you can see we have only two problems. You can see we have key phrase density and text length. The focus key phrase found one time, that is lesser than the recommended minimum of 2 times. Let's add focus key phrase one more time in the description. Copy your focus key phrase, scroll up and paste somewhere around on the description. Maybe here. Let's scroll down and let's see. Okay, now we have only one problem, which says the text contain 171 words, which is far below the recommendation. Recommended words should be 300. So you have to add 300 words here if you want to get rid of this problem. Once you do it, and your product page will be SEO friendly. Now let's look at the other part of this product page. Scroll down, we have the product tags. Let's type the tags. Add at least 3 to 5 tags on your product page related to this product. And next we have the post attribute. You can select default, Elementor canvas, Elementor full width, theme. I'm gonna keep it default template. Scroll down. Now here you can see we have the 𝗃𝗶𝗱𝗲 template settings. Here you can select the custom template, how you like to appear a single product page on your website. We have 5 to 6 templates that you can use. Let's go with third and select the template type, canvas or full width. I'm going to keep it default. Below you can see we have the jet product gallery videos. If you want to embed a YouTube video, you can select YouTube, or you can embed Vimeo, self-hosted, any kind of video you can embed in the video gallery. Below you have to type the YouTube video URL over here. If you select YouTube, type YouTube video URL. Now scroll down and below we have the product gallery. And here you can add product gallery images. If you want to delete any of them, hover your mouse over any image and click on this cross button. It will delete the image. Just like it. Okay. Once you're happy with your changes, scroll up and click on update. And don't forget to select your product category, which is already selected. Alright guys, so you can see we have successfully created a SEO friendly product page. Let's view the product. So here you can see we have this product page and this is template 3. Okay, you can change this template if you don't like. Let's go to the edit product. From right side, you can choose different type of template that you like. I'm gonna select V5 version 5, scroll up, click on update. Let's view the product. Alright guys, so this is V5 product page. So I'm happy with this template. I'm gonna close this one. Let's go to your dashboard. So now let's move to the next part of this video. In this part, I'm gonna show you how you can fulfill your order when someone places an order on your website. To do it, let's hover your mouse over products, click on all products. Let's view the product. Let's copy the product URL. Let's go to private window, paste and go. So in private window, I have opened the product as a visitor. Let's try to buy this product. First, select the color or the variation and then click on add to cart and then click on view cart. And again, we have two buttons, proceed to checkout and PayPal. Let's click on proceed to checkout and quickly fill the billing detail. Once you do it, click on debit card or credit card. Let's type your card number, expiry date and CSV and then click on pay now. Alright guys, so you can see your visitor will see this message. Thank you for choosing your website. Now we have successfully placed an order. This is a sandbox test mode. Let's go to your dashboard. Now hover your mouse over Woocommerce and click on orders. And here you can see we just got order from this person. Let's click on that. Now status says processing. And here we have all the information of this person. We have the billing information. We have the shipping information, email, phone number, so on and so forth. Now you got your money. All you have to do, you have to place an order on CJ Dropshipping manually. To do it, let's go to CJ Dropshipping and then go to Woocommerce and here go to orders and click on imported orders. Now all you have to do, you have to click on sync store order. Select your store. Now sync by time or you can sync by order number. Okay, let's sync by time. Select the date and click on sync now. Okay, the product has been synced successfully. Click OK. Now select the product. If you have multiple orders, you can select them by checking this box. It will select all of your orders at once. Since now we have only one order, let's select that one and click on select. Now select your shipping method. Let's go with this one, which is free shipping, and then click on add to cart. The product has been added successfully. Let's go to cart, dropship orders, select the product, click on submit, and here you have to pay $14.15. Click on submit. Now all you have to do, you have to pay this amount to fulfill this order. CJ Dropshipping automatically ship the product on your customer address. Okay, you don't have to type anything. That's simple. You can pay this amount with PayPal, pay with cards, pay with CJ Wallet or Pioneer. If you click on more, you have other types of payment gateway that you can use. Select your desirable payment method and check this box and click on pay. And then click on continue with PayPal and complete your order. That's simple. Alright, so this is how you fulfill your order. But remember, this is a test mode. Let's change it to live mode so that you can receive real payment from real customer. To do it, let's hover your mouse over WooCommerce and then click on settings, go to payments tab. Let's click on manage with PayPal and uncheck this option. Now scroll down, click on toggle to manual credential input. Now you have to type your live email address, your live merchant ID. To get it, go to your PayPal, hover your mouse over your profile, go to account settings. Under the account settings, you have to go to business information and here you will get your merchant ID. Copy it, come back to this page, paste your merchant ID over here. Now you need a live client ID and live secret key. To get it, let's go to App Center. Here search for API, open this one, click on get started. Let's log in and then click on my apps and credentials. Let's close this tab and this one as well. And here, this time we will go with live tab. And here, let's create a app. Click on create app, type your app name, and then click on create app. And here you can see we have client ID and we have secret key. Click on show. Let's copy the client ID, come back to WooCommerce, paste your client ID. Let's come back to this page, copy a secret key and paste it over here. And then click on save changes. There you go. Now you're ready to receive real payment from real customer. That's it. Let's go to the dashboard. So if your website does not have SSL certificate, you can install a new one by watching this video. You will find the same video link in the description box of this video. Anyways, let's move to the next part of this video. In this part, I'm going to show you how you can customize your website so that it look unique and different than others. To do it, let's have your mouse over here. To do it, first of all, let's have your mouse over settings, click on general. And here, first of all, let's change the site title and change the tagline. And that's it. Scroll down and click on save changes. Now hover your mouse over here and click on visit site. Right click, open link in a new tab. So now you can see we have changed the tagline and we have changed the title. Now click on customize. So in the left side, we have different types of options that you can change. First, we have the site identity. Let's open it up. Here you can add your own logo. Select your logo, upload your logo file. Just for the demonstration purposes, I'm going to drag and drop this logo over here. And then click on select. And then click skip cropping. Let's uncheck this one. And then click on publish. Let's go back here. Let's go to general site setting. Favicon. Select your favicon icon. I'm going to select the same one. Click select. And then click on crop image. There you go. You can see we have the favicon over here. Once you make any changes, don't forget to click on publish. Let's go back. Next, we have the page layout. Here you can select different types of page layout. Right now it's set to full width. You can select boxed. And then we have the sidebar width 103 or 104. Let's keep it as it is. We have show page title, show archive title, show archive description. If you don't like any of them, you can uncheck it. Let's change back to full width and then click on publish. Let's go back. Social links. We have the social links in the header section. We have the social links in the footer section. If you want to hide them, you can uncheck them. I'm going to leave it as it is. To top button. So I'm going to keep it as it is. Let's click on publish. Let's go back. Go back. Next, we have the color. You can select your body background color. You can change it from here. If you want, I'm not going to do it. Next, we have color scheme, typography, header. Let's go to header. We have style. You can select your background image if you want. You can change your background color, background repeater should be no repeater, tile horizontally, tile vertically. You can change it if you want. I'm going to leave it as it is. Okay, this is all about styling and all about the design that you want for your dropshipping store. It's all up to you. Let's go back here. Let's go to menus. Here you can see we have the main menu. In the main menu, we have shop, which is right here. We have women, which is right here. Next, we have men. We have drop down menu here as well. This is a mega menu. If you want to learn how to create this type of mega menu, just drop your comment in the comment section below and I will create a new video for you guys. So in this section, I will briefly teach you guys how to customize your dropshipping store. I have a full in-depth video on the customization section. You can watch that video by going to the description box of this video. Let's go back. Next, we have the footer section. If you scroll down, you can see we have the footer section. You can change your footer text from here. Let's go back. We have blog settings, we have homepage settings, we have WooCommerce settings, we have store notice, we have product catalog, so on and so forth. So guys, you just have to play around with the customization section if you want to create your own design for your dropshipping store. And don't forget to check out my other video where you will learn how to customize any kind of WordPress website. Okay, whether it's blog or e-commerce website. Let's close this one. So basically this homepage is built with Elementor page builder. Let's quickly edit this page by clicking on edit with Elementor. So this is the Elementor page builder. This is drag and drop editor. If you want to change anything, for example, if you want to change this text, highlight the text. In the left side, you will see editing section. In the first part, just highlight the text and start typing your own text. Okay. In the same way, you can edit any section of this page. If you want to change the image, select the section, click on edit, go to style, and here you can change this image. Click on choose image, scroll down. Let's select this one. Click on insert media. There you go. So you can see we just changed the image. If you want to change the button text, select the button, and here you can change the text of this button, shop now or buy now, whatever you want. And here you can change the button URL. You can type the product URL under the button link. You can increase or decrease the icon spacing, icon position, icon size, so on and so forth. Style, we have advanced tab. And this is not an in-depth video tutorial on Elementor page builder. I'm just telling you how you can change anything on your homepage. If you want to learn more about Elementor page builder, watch my other video. You'll find that video link in the description box as well. Okay, once you make any changes, don't forget to click on update. Let's close these tabs. Let's click over here and then click on exit to dashboard. Now close this dialog and then click over here. Let's visit your site once again. And this time, let's have your mouse over here and click on header entire site. And here you can see we have the edit mega menu. You can edit your mega menu by going to this section by clicking over here. In the left side, Elementor page builder will take you to this section. So guys, from here, you can edit your mega menu. If you want to learn more about mega menu, just drop your comment in the comment section below and I'll definitely create a new video for you guys. Okay, let's click over here and click on exit to dashboard, leave the page, click over here. Alright guys, so if you go to your 𝗃𝗶𝗱𝗶 themes template, here you can see we have the pages, header, footer, section, archive, single, and product archives, single product, so on and so forth. And from here you can customize your entire website. So this is not a customization video tutorial guys. If you need a customization video tutorial, just drop your comment like I mentioned earlier. I will definitely create a customization video tutorial for you guys. And don't forget to remove your sample product guys. To do it, hover your mouse over products, click on all products. And here, select all of them by checking this box, uncheck the real one and go to this drop down menu, click on move to trash and then click apply. And your all dummy or sample products will be removed from your dropshipping store. And then start importing hundreds of products on your dropshipping store from CJ Dropshipping. Alright guys, so that's the end of this video guys. I hope you enjoy the video. If you learned something from today's video, don't forget to hit the like button. That would be appreciated. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos just like this one. Thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, I'll see you next time.